Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for a Taco Supreme, but we should make another easy casserole. Let's make a taco casserole.
All right, let's make a super easy taco casserole. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we like to make stuff that you could feed your family with. Today, we are going to make a taco casserole. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be pretty quick. It's gonna come together and kind of be reminiscent of like a Taco Supreme from Taco Bell, but probably better. Anyways, without further ado, let's go. With a pan on medium heat, add a little bit of oil, then we throw in a pound of ground beef. Get that broken up. Yeah, you know, break it up, just like you should have done with that relationship a long time ago. And then we just let it cook. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. And once your beef is about 75% of the way done, then we want to throw about 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning on there. Stir that in. Oh, someone's getting frisky out there. And then we just let this keep cooking. And once your beef is cooked through, you could drain some of the fat if you want. It's up to you. I'm gonna be lazy and not bother. Then we pour in 16 ounces of salsa. Use whatever salsa you want. Make sure when you pour it, it spills all over the place, because that's fun. That's how we do things around here. Get that all kind of stirred in. At this point, scrape anything off the bottom that's stuck. Yeah, we're using salsa to deglaze a pan. Who needs wine when you have salsa? Well, I guess you could have both. Then we're gonna reduce our heat to medium low and just let this simmer until most of the moisture is gone and we have a nice thick beef salsa mixture. After about 20 minutes, once your moisture is mostly gone, you can see that we still got a little bit, but that's okay. It'll be fine. Then just kind of give this a stir, get everything mixed in. All those flavors should be nice and married now, getting to know each other, you know, doing their thing, whatever people do when they get married. Then we add in a can of drained chili beans. You want to use black beans? Go for it. Use whatever you want, folks. It's your taco casserole. You want to use, I don't know, whatever beans you want. You want to use refried beans? That would probably work. We're just going to give this a stir. We just want to let these cook until the beans have kind of heated through and everything is good. And maybe we get rid of a little bit more of this moisture. For now, we're just going to let this go. And once your beans are all heated through, go ahead and kill the heat and set this aside. All right, so then we get out a greased casserole dish, or in this case, an aluminum pan. For our base layer, we're just gonna put down some crushed tortilla chips, or in this case, these are actually crushed up crispy taco tostada type shells. So we'll just do that. The way I see it is you have 2 kinds of casseroles. You have your kind where you mix everything in a bowl and then dump it all into the dish and then cook it, like a mac and cheese. We'll call that a slopper roll. Then you have the layered casserole where you're putting in layers of stuff like this, or like an enchilada casserole or lasagna. And on a lot of these, what they have you do is put all the layers and then just put cheese on top. I like to put cheese throughout the layers just to kind of cohese everything together. And then you get a nicer piece, nice clean pieces when you cut them, and they kind of, all the layers stick together. We're looking for cheese distribution. Cheese distribution is important, folks. I'm actually gonna do a TED Talk on cheese distribution and the importance of cheese distribution in casseroles. After our chips and our cheese, then we put our meat slop in here, even that out, a little bit more cheese. We're going for like an old school, like Taco Supreme vibe. So we're gonna do some sour cream, got about 2 cups here. Just kind of do your best to spread out a nice even layer if you can. This is just gonna add some creaminess and some richness. And like I said, it's gonna give it that sour cream and meat slop. It's gonna give you that Taco Bell, it's gonna be better, but it's gonna give you that sort of Taco Bell Taco Supreme kind of vibe. Then we'll give this guy a little bit more cheese. And then we have some diced green onions here. We're just gonna sprinkle these in there. Just kind of spread them out a little bit. And then we got some olives. You can literally put whatever you want in here, guys. You want some like diced jalapenos, go for it. Imagine the pieces you're gonna cut and give everybody a little bit of everything, you know? Then we finish it off with one final layer of cheese. Then we're gonna throw this in our 350 oven for 30 minutes. And here's our guy right out of the oven. Hot, 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 hot. My dumbass, oh well. Then let's just go ahead and give this guy a little bit of cilantro, you know, a little bit more greens on here. Make it look pretty. Then we're gonna go ahead and let this cool. And here's our guy all ready to serve. So we'll just go ahead and take a piece here. Look at that. That looks nice. I like it. And there we have our super easy taco casserole. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's got the crispy chips, the ooey gooey cheese, that delicious meat. We got the beans, we got the tomatoes, and then the creaminess from sour cream. It's got all the hallmarks of like literally a burrito supreme, but probably a little bit better because I think Taco Bell slipped a little bit. But anyways, it is what it is. Super delicious, super easy. I think kids would love it, adults would love it, everyone would love it. Out of 10. So go make it. Well, that's what I think. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey, bud, how you doing?
I'm almost done reconstructing the DeLorean. Pretty soon we should be able to go back to the future.
That's awesome, but wouldn't it be back to the past?
Well, yeah, but then once we're there and we want to come back, it's back to the future.
That actually makes sense. Well, check it out. We made this taco casserole. And of course, we made a dog-friendly version just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
That's really good. It's creamy, beefy, savory, and all the Taco Supreme flavors, but better and in casserole form.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, another great, super easy dish, another super easy casserole. Great to make for your family. Feeds, I don't know, like 4, 5, 6 people. Or meal prep, whatever. Anyways, go make it. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second, go like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. Hit the bell for notifications. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. And hey, if you like this video, go check out our other easy casseroles. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.